Hi, my name is Josh and I work at Monty's Community Hub running Monty's Bike Hub. Monty's is a community centre based in Montague Avenue over in Sholing, and we work on bikes, we teach kids how to mend bikes and we do cycle training. Our vision is really just to get people cycling whilst empowering local people with new skills and opportunities. So at Monty's Bike Hub we teach basic bike maintenance, so we do little things like puncture repairs which happen all the time, but we do bicycle recycling as well, so we take apart bikes and put them back together again. So it's really important to do safety checks on your bike because your bike can fail on you as you're cycling along and it can be quite dangerous. And just little things can make such a difference when you're riding. So the M check is just a basic maintenance check that we do on bikes quite often. Basic safety check to make sure your bike is in really good working order. We follow the bicycle down like an M, like that, but it also stands for a maintenance check as well. So first things first is just to check the tyre pressure, to give your wheels a good squeeze, make sure they're hard like an apple rather than squashy like a Satsuma. Just spin your wheel through your brake, make sure it goes through nicely, okay? Make sure it's not rubbing against the brakes and it's not wobbling at all. Then you want to just check your brakes. If you've got V-brakes like this, which are most common, you want to just squeeze them and make sure both arms move at the same time. So check the headset. So if you squeeze the front wheel and then just move the handlebars, hopefully there should be no movement there. On the bike kitchen nights, people come and can use our tools and learn how to mend their own bikes. On Wednesday evening we have our adult bike workshop, which is from 6 PM till 8 PM, and then in the evening from 5 PM till 7 PM on a Thursday our youth bike workshop is open.